Sam and the Big Speech. Sam is a boy. He is 11 years old. He lives in a small town with his parents and his sister. Sam is smart. He likes to read. He likes to draw. But Sam is shy. Very shy. He does not like to talk in class. He does not like to ask questions. He does not like to stand in front of people. At school, he speaks very little. He sits in the back. He looks down. The teacher says, "Sam, would you like to read this?" Sam shakes his head. "No, thank you." One Monday, the teacher says, "We have a new contest. It is called the Big Speech. Every student will give a short speech." Sam's heart beats fast. A speech, he thinks. I can't do that. I will forget my words. I will look silly. His best friend Mia says, "You can do it, Sam." "No, I can't," Sam says. "I get scared. I get red. My hands shake." "You can start small," says Mia. "I will help you." Sam goes home. He thinks. What can I talk about? He looks at his drawings. He sees trees, animals, mountains. Then he sees a drawing of a lion. "I can talk about the lion," Sam says. "The lion is brave. The lion is strong. But maybe the lion is scared too." He picks up his notebook. He writes. "The lion looks strong. But maybe he is shy. He still stands tall. I want to be like the lion." Every day after school, Sam practices. He speaks in front of the mirror. He speaks in front of his sister. He speaks in front of Mia. Sometimes he forgets a word. Sometimes he talks too fast. Sometimes he wants to stop. But Mia says, "Keep going. You are better every time." His sister claps. "You sound brave." Sam starts to smile. "I am getting better," he says. The day of the contest comes. The class sits in the school hall. Many parents are there. The lights are bright. Sam feels nervous. His hands are cold. He wants to go home. But he hears his name. Next speaker, Sam. He stands up. He walks to the front. He looks at the paper in his hand. Then he looks up. He starts, "My name is Sam. I want to tell you about the lion." His voice is quiet. But the room is silent. The lion is big and strong. But maybe he is shy. Still, he stands. Still, he roars. Sam pauses. His heart is fast. But he keeps going. "I am shy too. But I am here. I am speaking. I want to be like the lion." The room is quiet. Then, applause. Everyone claps. Sam smiles. His teacher smiles. Mia gives him a thumbs up. After the contest, many people come to Sam. "Great job," says a parent. "You were so brave," says a teacher. "You spoke from the heart," says Mia. Sam feels proud. He did not win first place. But he stood up, he spoke, he finished. His mom hugs him. "You were amazing," she says. Sam says, "I was scared. But I did it." After that day, Sam changes. He speaks more in class. He answers questions. He helps other shy students. He starts a group, Speak Easy Club. They meet every Friday. They help each other speak. One day, a younger boy says, "I can't speak. I am too shy." Sam smiles and says, "You can. Just like I did. Start small. Be like the lion."